Smart spending is about making wise choices with your money. It's about getting the most value out of every dollar you spend. When you spend smart, you keep more of your money. This helps you reach your financial goals faster. Smart spending isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Don't waste money on things you don't need. Focus on what's important to you. By developing smart spending habits, you take control of your finances. You'll be able to afford the things you really want in life. You'll also be prepared for unexpected expenses. Smart spending is the key to financial freedom. It empowers you to live a life of abundance and security. Take control of your spending, and you'll take control of your future. To spend smart, you need to know the difference between needs and wants. This is crucial for making good decisions with your money. Needs are things you can't live without. Wants are things you desire but can live without. Needs include things like food, shelter, and clothing. These are essential for survival and well-being. Wants are things like designer clothes, expensive gadgets, and fancy vacations. These things might be nice to have, but they aren't necessary. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is the first step to smart spending. It helps you prioritize your spending and avoid wasting money on things you don't need. By focusing on your needs first, you can make sure you have enough money for the essentials. Once your needs are met, you can then decide how to spend your remaining money on wants. Just remember to do so wisely and within your means. Identifying your needs is essential for creating a budget that supports your well-being. Your needs are the foundation of your spending plan. These are the non-negotiable expenses that keep you healthy, safe, and secure. Start by considering your basic needs: food, shelter, and clothing. These are the essentials for survival. Allocate enough funds to cover nutritious food, safe housing, and appropriate clothing. Next, think about your healthcare needs. Include expenses like health insurance, doctor's visits, and prescription medications. Your health is a priority, so budget accordingly. Transportation is another crucial need. Factor in the costs of getting to work, school, or running errands. Whether it's a car payment, public transportation, or fuel costs, allocate enough to ensure reliable transportation. Finally, remember your essential utilities and bills. These include electricity, gas, water, and internet access. These services are vital for maintaining a comfortable and functional living environment. Section 4. Recognizing your wants. Separating desires from necessities. Recognizing your wants is just as important as identifying your needs. Wants are the things you desire but can live without. They bring enjoyment and satisfaction but aren't crucial for survival. Start by examining your spending habits. Look for areas where you tend to splurge or make impulsive purchases. These are often indicators of wants disguised as needs. Next, consider your entertainment and leisure activities. While recreation is important, be mindful of how much you're spending on dining out, movies, concerts, and hobbies. Think about your shopping patterns. Do you frequently buy clothes, shoes, or accessories that you don't necessarily need? Be honest with yourself about whether these purchases are wants or needs. Finally, assess your technology and gadget usage. While smartphones and laptops have become essential for many, upgrading to the latest model is often a want, not a need. Section 5. The impact of smart spending. Building a secure financial future. Smart spending has a profound impact on your overall financial health. By making conscious choices about your spending, you create a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Firstly, smart spending allows you to save more money. When you prioritize needs over wants, you free up a significant portion of your income. This surplus can be directed towards savings goals, like an emergency fund or a down payment on a house. Secondly, smart spending helps you avoid debt. By living within your means and resisting impulsive purchases, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans. This keeps you from accumulating high-interest debt that can weigh you down for years. Thirdly, smart spending empowers you to achieve your financial goals faster. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or traveling the world, smart spending accelerates your progress towards your aspirations. Finally, smart spending provides peace of mind. When you have control over your finances, you feel more secure and confident about your future. You're better equipped to handle unexpected expenses and financial challenges. Section 6. Practical tips for smart spending. Mastering your money. Mastering smart spending is easier than you think. By implementing practical tips, you can transform your relationship with money and make it work for you. First and foremost, create a budget and stick to it. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate funds for needs, wants, and savings goals. Secondly, plan your meals and shop with a grocery list. Eating out less and preparing meals at home is a significant money saver. Plan your meals, create a list, and avoid impulse purchases at the grocery store. Thirdly, explore affordable entertainment options. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, like parks, museums, or local events. Fourthly, compare prices before you buy. Whether it's clothes, electronics, or travel, take the time to research and compare prices from different retailers. You might be surprised at the savings you can find. Lastly, resist impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, especially a significant one, give yourself time to think it over. Sleep on it for a night or two, and see if you still feel the same way. Section 7. Take control of your finances. A call to action for financial well-being. Taking control of your finances is within your reach. It starts with a commitment to smart spending and a willingness to make conscious choices about your money. Start by reflecting on your spending habits. Identify areas where you can improve and set realistic goals for yourself. Every small step you take towards smart spending makes a difference. Remember, you're in control of your financial destiny. By adopting smart spending habits, you empower yourself to achieve financial freedom and live a life of abundance. Embrace the journey towards financial well-being. It's a journey worth taking, and the rewards are immeasurable. Start today and experience the transformative power of smart spending.